Hi everyone. Sometimes we need to add a quick note to the descriptions of our products. It could be to indicate they are new arrivals, or that they are part of a promotion. But of course, if you want to add that message product by product, that process would take forever. Fortunately, it is possible to reduce the task to a few clicks, using the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which features both search and bulk edit tools. You can download this plugin from the link on the description of this video. Once open, you will see all your products displayed on this spreadsheet. You can modify random items individually, selecting them by ticking this checkbox. Once you are done selecting, move to the bulk edit tool. Select short description as the field to be edited. Select Prepend from this drop-down menu. This will add a new text immediately before the existing description. You can choose to add the new text before or after the existing description. Enter your message here, minding to add a space afterwards, to make sure the text gets properly displayed. And click Execute now. As you see, the short description was modified. If you have an active promotion in your store, then you can also add a message to the description of the products included in the sales. Open the search tool. Activate the advanced search checkbox. As a key field, input sale price. Enter the greater than symbol as operator. And enter 0 as your value. This series of instructions will indicate the plugin to search for all the products with a designated sale price. All the products on sale are now displayed in the spreadsheet. Go to the bulk edit tool. Update the rows from the current search. Enter short description. Select Append from this menu. This will add the message right after the existing description. But you can also add it to the beginning of the description using Prepend. Add your message here. In this case, add the space before you start writing. You can also add a message to the description of the newly arrived products in your store. Move to the search tool. Activate the advanced filters. Scroll down to the date fields. You can use them to find the latest uploaded products, or new arrivals. The products fitting in the timeline will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Let's open the bulk edit tool. Enter short description. Select Prepend. Add your message. And finally execute. The products will now display a new arrival message on their description. You can also add a message to a certain group of products, or to the products from a specific category. Open the bulk edit tool. Select to search for the rows to be updated. The search tool will open. For this tutorial, I'm going to add a message to all the t-shirts from the women category. Back to the bulk edit tool, input short description to be edited. Select Append, or if you want the message at the beginning of the description, select Prepend. Enter the message you will add to your description. And don't forget to add a space, to make sure the text gets properly displayed. This is what the applied changes will look like. Easy and with no complications. Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.